Aging brings about multiple age-related ailments, and as the body weakens, our bones and joints wear out too. The discomfort in the knees, bones, and joints is quite severe and debilitating and reduces the ability to finish even the easiest daily tasks. Aging mostly affects our knees, as they support even 80% of the body weight while standing. The joints also wear out due to inappropriate body posture and excessive weight, long periods of standing, etc. However, there is a highly effective natural treatment that will soothe the pain and restore the vitality of your body. It causes no side effects as it is totally natural. The most important thing is to always act on time, and not let the pain intensify or worsen. As these ailments are progressive, you should always find a way to cure the ailment starting from its root cause. The following natural miracle will treat the pain in the joints and bones regardless of their cause. Knee, bone, and joint pain remedy. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper powder, ½ cup of warm olive oil / 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, ½ inch grated ginger. Instructions: you should add the cayenne pepper and the grated ginger to the warm olive oil or apple cider vinegar, then stir to prepare a paste. Apply the paste to the painful areas twice a day and leave it to act for at least 20 minutes. Cayenne pepper is high in a potent component known as capsaicin, which reduces pain. Its powerful natural analgesic properties cause a warm feeling and soothe discomfort and pain. After a few weeks, you will notice that your tendons and ligaments are significantly strengthened, the inflammation is relieved, and the pain will gradually disappear.